Hello world and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a short video on a fan light I got from King's 44 Super Centre. I'm just going to do a unboxing and review on it. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Sorry about the wind noise, but can't help it. Thank you. Bye. Okay, yeah, I got this fan light here as a freebie from King's. I had to get another stretcher. I've got a small stretcher, and then I bought a King's stretcher for my swag, and then both of those are being used at the moment. I got people staying over for 6 or 7 weeks, so I put foam mattresses on those on the stretchers, and they make it nice and comfortable. So what happens is when I got to the checkout, I bought the stretcher. They said, oh, it's $1 off today, cheaper, and you get this freebie here, which is a 2-in-1 LED light fan. Now, I was going to get one originally, but then I decided, well, they run on a D-cell batteries, 2 D-cell batteries, and I didn't want to have something that I have to keep putting batteries in it. But he said they'd run for 40 hours on the batteries, so I am going to check that out. And being a freebie, I don't knock it back. So it's got 18 LEDs, which is a good camp light, and it's a fan there. So yeah, so they're the dimensions of it. The weight 19.5 by 17 by 17. So it should be fits in a swag or a tent fine. So what I'm going to do is I'll unbox it and show you what's inside. Okay, you get the usual 12 months warranty with King's. Right. Nothing else in the box. Put that in there and that in there. That's what it looks like. You can stand it up like that. That seems to move around. Oh, yeah, you can maneuver it around like that. This would also change. Yeah, you can change it up like that. Hang it from the top. And on here you have high, off and low, off and on for the light. So you must have a high and low setting for the fan. And that feels good. Plasticky, of course, but what more do you want? Trying to sleep? Yeah, so I'm going to get some batteries, like it in it. Well, yeah, Bunnings had these on sale the other day, so around about half price. So Duracell with the copper top. So I'm going to try 2 of those in there and see how it goes. Okay, so I've loosened it, so you twist it off like that to get at the top. Under here must be the batteries. You just push that little lever on the sides of here, and then tilt it up, and then you open it. So there's a little locking tab just there. Yeah, well, they're marked here. There's a positive up and a negative up. So you get a battery and you put one in like that. And you'll get the other one, and you will put the other one in like that. And you push the top down. Why won't it go down? Oh, there it is. Didn't hold my mouth right. So yeah, that's it there. Now, turn the light on here. So that's the light. I'll put the cover on in a minute. So that's the light there. It'd be perfect for a swag, or even a tent. Turn that light off. Turn the fan on low. Oh, that's nice. On the camera it doesn't look like it's spinning very fast, but it is. It's spinning. The camera must pick it up with the frames. But yeah, you can't see the blades moving like it is on the camera. But that's nice. At night it'll be nice and quiet and low. And then I'll just turn it up to high. It's a bit louder. And it's definitely a bit louder, but it won't. You'd get used to that. It wouldn't annoy you that much. No louder than an air conditioner in a room when you're trying to sleep. Nice breeze coming off it. So you probably only need it on the low, most situations. Yeah, quite like that idea. Yeah, fairly easy to operate. And then you put the top back on it, and it's very easy to just unscrews and screws in. So you can hang it, or you can, and then you can tilt it like that, or you can adjust this top down. Bit hard to do one-handed, but yeah, just move it down like that, and you can use it like that, and then put the fan on low. If you're sitting at a desk, now this would be good for a computer. And if you want a bit of light, you could turn a bit of light on here like this. Yeah, the low setting is enough to stir up the air. You wouldn't. I probably had low all night because normally when I camp it's a bit cooler at night. Like today is getting towards the end of March, and this morning was quite cool. And I went for a walk at 6:45. Very pleasant. So I'm happy with the weather changes. The time will tell whether it's worth it or not. Well, freebie, it's got to be worth it, but I'm happy I got one now. I can just hook it up in the swag, and the light is probably going to be a good idea. Yeah, quite a good draft coming off that on high. As I said, it was free. and I'll try it out in about a week and a half, and I'm going to go camping. I'm going to take the swag and this and kayak on top and do a bit of fishing. Probably head up to the Burdekin, I'd say, up to my crossing. Fly the drone around up there. Yeah. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.